Hello friends! My name is Rebecca and I'm a playologist here at Glazer Children's Museum. Did you know that lanterns have been a source of light for thousands of years? Of course, back then, they weren't made of balloons and paper mache like we'll do today, but rather of various materials like iron, silver, and gold. Sometimes, these were basic designs with little boxes or complex ornate bronze sculptures that were very carefully designed. Historically, to light these lanterns, they would use oils, candles, and later, electricity. Today, we are going to use paper mache to create our lanterns. Paper mache is the art of using glue and water to mold paper to create different shapes, which is really cool. So to make our paper lanterns, we are going to first blow up a balloon. And listen, it is very important that we don't use helium. We don't want our lanterns to fly away from us. So next, we're going to make a very special glue that is going to hold our masterpiece together. It's 1 cup of glue and 3/4 cup water. So then we're going to stir it all together till it's nice and smooth, and it has a consistency that looks like this. And then we're going to use our concoction to paste the paper onto the bottom half of your balloon, so on this part of your balloon. And I would start with white paper as a base so that you can see your designs better. Then you're going to let it dry overnight. And the next day, it should look like this, and we're going to do our next layer. This is where the extra fun begins. So we're going to get to our designs. So you can start simple, like the little boxes that we talked about before, or as intricate as ancient bronze lanterns. The choice is yours, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. So when your design is all done, you're gonna let it dry overnight again. And I know, that's a lot of waiting, but the best things take time, and I know that you're gonna make the best lanterns. So the next day, it should be all dry, and it should look like this. So now, you may need to ask for help with this, but you're gonna carefully cut out your balloon out of your lantern. The best way to do this is to cut the top right here and let out all the air, and then you can just pluck the balloon out. Next, along the edge, we're going to very carefully poke 1 hole in each side of the edge of the lantern. And then you're gonna tie a string of yarn onto it to hold your lantern. So finally, to light up your lantern, you're gonna put little battery tea light candles or a glow stick, something to make your lantern shine at night. So here comes the best part, and that part is you get to show off your lantern. This could be either by showing it to your friends and your family, or taking a picture and showing it to the Glazer Children's Museum. Now, I can't wait to see all of your lanterns. Bye, friends.